This is the Smith & Wesson Border Guard SWBG-10S Liner Lock Folding Knife. Built for your most demanding tasks, yet weighing only 6 ounces, the SWBG-10S is a rugged, compact folding knife designed for versatile everyday carry. Forged from stone-washed 7CR17 Movi high-carbon stainless steel, the SWBG-10S features a partially serrated 3.5-inch Tonto-style blade, emblazoned with the iconic Smith & Wesson logo. The SWBG-10S is quickly deployed and ready for action, using the ambidextrous thumb knobs or index flipper. Slice through the toughest material, using the part-serrated edge, reserving the sharp, fine portion of the blade for detailed slicing, cutting, and carving tasks. Stone-washed and crafted from stainless steel, the handle sports topside jimping as well as black textured and grooved G10 inserts that provide a comfortable and slip-free grip even when wet from rain or sweat. Integrated into the rear of the knife, the strap cutter and glass breaker allow the SWBG-10S to double as an emergency rescue tool. Carry the SWBG-10S with confidence, either secured on a belt or attached to the inside of a pocket thanks to a tough spring clip. A multifunctional knife made for everyday carry, the SWBG-10S Liner Lock Folding Knife is a tough, rugged and ready cutting tool designed for professionals.